What's going on YouTube? Ty back with AskingDoc.com. Hit you with another video. And real quick video. My shirt messed up and kind of rough day today, but it is what it is. And today's video, I'm gonna answer the question about Bluehost. Is this a good company to use for your blog? I've been using Bluehost for the past 4 years now, and I love them. They're a good company. I had one incident with them. It happened maybe my first year having them. My site went down. I put my web address in, my domain name in, and nothing came up. It was like a blank. So I contacted Bluehost, and they, I think they fixed it. I guess they redid how it looked yesterday, and it's working ever since. So they fixed my problem. Haven't had a problem since then. But yeah, I like Bluehost. It's a really good company. They're very reliable. The price is not bad. And if you use my link below the video, you get a free domain. So you get a free domain with hosting, and they have premium packages. I'm on the unlimited package plan, the unlimited domains, and installing WordPress too is very easy. It's a one-click button. The button says one click in your dashboard, and you pick your domain name, and you just install WordPress, and it's done in 5 minutes. It's done. You're online, and you have a website. So, yeah, it's a good company. I have no problems with them. I don't see myself moving from Bluehost. I don't see why. There's a lot of great companies too, GoDaddy and other companies too, HostGator and SiteGrounds, a whole lot of different host companies. Cool Handle's a good hosting company, but I just stuck with Bluehost. The reason I got into Bluehost because, as people know, I bought Google Sniper when it first came out, and they was doing websites, and they prefer that you use Bluehost as your hosting company. So I followed the instructions, and I got Bluehost, and I had them ever since. So Bluehost is a really good company to use for your blog, websites. I had that one snag, and ever since then, nothing. They do some good backups for your website, but I would suggest you get some security. Go to use Jetpack Security. Go ahead and pay that. I think it's $40 a year, which is like $3 a month. Very cheap insurance, and go ahead and get that just in case. And because your blog can make you a lot of money, you want to back that up, have security. So, but Bluehost did a good job of fixing my problem. But ever since that one problem they fixed it, I had a problem since, and my blog been going smooth. Every once in a while, in the middle of the night, maybe 3 or 4 in the morning, my site go down for maybe 3 minutes, and it's right back up. Now I get an email from Jetpack saying, "Hey, your site was down," and 3 minutes later, "Hey, your site's back up." But I'm asleep, so I don't really, know what's going on with that. But it happens every blue moon. That happens though. It's only for 3 minutes, so it's not really hurting me too much. So yeah, I use Bluehost, and I promote Bluehost. Bluehost is a good company to use. So that's the end of my video. If you use my link below, you get a free domain with Bluehost, which is pretty good. So instead of spending $10 on a domain, you get a new package, and you get a free domain with it. So you save $10. So that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching my video. Bluehost is a really good company. It's one of the top companies. Even also the income school recommended use Bluehost. So when I was using Bluehost before income school came out, or they started putting videos, and they also use Bluehost, it reconfirms me that okay, it reconfirms that yeah, I made a good choice. And so far, I made a good choice. They'll email you when your domain's about to expire. They'll email you when your account about to expire. And they give you plenty of time notice, 60-day notice, and then 50-day, and then 40-day notice. Hey, your account about to expire in 30 days. So they make sure you renew. And that's it for my video. Thanks for watching my video. Like the video. Share the video. Any comments, questions, concerns about Bluehost, I'll be glad to answer them. But if I have to rate them 1 out of 10, I'll give them like an 8. I wouldn't give them a 10 because I had that one issue, and then my set goes down for 2-3 minutes, middle of like 3-4 in the morning. But I don't notice it because I'm asleep. So that don't bother me. It happens every maybe once a month or something like that. But I give him a 9. I give him a 9. Thanks for watching.